Even as number of incidents of violence in Manipur was on a sharp decline, today afternoon in Monjang village of Churachandpur district, which is about 7 kilometers from the city center, a gruesome killing took place. Now, police sources have given us to understand that this killing of 4 people, including a woman, has no links with the ethnic violence in the state, and police sources have also stated that this has more to do with inter-rebel group clashes between 2 Kuki community rebel outfit. Now, what is important to note here that United Kuki National Liberation Army UKNA has claimed responsibility of this killing. They have in a press statement stated that they have targeted 3 youths from the Kuki community whom they have claimed to be top cadres of the Kuki National Organization or KNO. They have stated that this KNO cadre, including its deputy commander-in-chief, were in this vehicle which was targeted by the cadres of UKNA. Now, the UKNA statement claims that this was a kind of revenge killing, given the fact that they have alleged that under the leadership of the deputy commander-in-chief of KNO, their 2 top leaders were killed and at least 30 Kuki people were killed, and therefore these people were actually punished. That is the word that they have used in their statement. But what is important to note here is that security forces claim that while KNO and its arm wing, the KNA, is under suspension of operation with center, the UKNA is not under suspension of operation. So, 2 type of organization, one which is under suspension of operation and talking to center, and another which is not, have clashed this time. But elaborate security arrangement has been made. Combing operation continues even as post-mortem for the on the dead bodies are being done. But what is important to note here is that this has once again created a sense of anxiety in the area, and therefore more security personnel have been deployed in the area.